Discuss question exercise 3.6 question number 3. HCF of co-prime numbers 4 and 15 was found as follows by factorization. That is 4 is equal to 2 into 2 and 15 is equal to 3 into 5 since there is no common prime factor. So HCF of 4 and 1 is 0. Is the answer correct? If not, what is the correct HCF? Here we can say that since 4 and 15 are co-prime numbers. What is the meaning of co-prime numbers? Co-prime numbers means that there is only one common factor. There is only one common factor. There is 1. Now we can write here the 4 can be written as 4 can be written as 2 into 2 and 15 is written as 3 into 5. And here the question is here that the so HCF of 4 and 15 which HCF of 4 and 15 is 0. This is not correct. Why? Because we know that 4 can be written as 2 into 2 into 1 and 15 can be written as 3 into 5 into 1. So here HCF is not 0 but HCF is 1. Highest common factor is 1. If not, what is the correct answer? 0 is the answer correct? No, the answer is not correct. No, the answer is not correct. No, the answer is not correct. And what is the correct HCF? The correct HCF is 1. The correct HCF is 1. Again I am repeating, here you see that the HCF of two co-prime numbers 4 and 15 was found as follows by factorization 2 into 2, what you have to write 2 into 2 into 1 and 15 is equal to 3 into 5 into 1. So the HCF is 1, not 0. Is the answer correct? Here HCF of 4 and 15 is 0? No. Because if you multiply it by 0, it comes to 0. Right? 2 into 2 into 0 is 0. 3 into 5 into 0 is 0. Therefore, you have to multiply by 1. That is 2 into 2 into 1, 3 into 5 into 1 and HCF is 1. Is the answer correct? No, the answer is not correct. If not, what is the correct HCF? Therefore, the correct HCF is 1.